Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft Bedrock on PC or laptop. All right, so let's begin with the video. Minecraft Bedrock is one of the main versions of the game, alongside Java Edition. The advantage of Bedrock is that it supports cross-platform play, allowing you to play with others on devices like mobile. It's important to note that Minecraft is a paid game, so you will need to purchase it before downloading. To begin, open a web browser and search for Minecraft. Then go to the official website at minecraft.net. Once there, navigate to the game section at the top and then select the option to buy Minecraft. You'll see that Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock Edition are often bundled together, giving you access to both versions along with a launcher. You can choose between different editions, such as Ultimate, Deluxe, or Standard, depending on what extras you want. After selecting your preferred option, proceed to checkout and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, you can create it during this step. This account will be used to access the game later. After purchasing, scroll down to the support section of the website and select Download. Choose the option for downloading Minecraft for PC, and the installer file will begin downloading. Once it's downloaded, open your File Explorer. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file to run it. During installation, you may be prompted to sign in to the Microsoft Store. Make sure you are logged in with the same account you used to purchase Minecraft. If you notice that this isn't the account you use for purchasing Minecraft, just click on the icon. From there, you can sign out and then sign back in using the correct account. Then proceed with the installation and wait for it to complete. Once the launcher is installed, open it and select Minecraft.java or Bedrock Edition from the sidebar. Choose the latest version and click Install. As I already have it installed, that's why it is saying play, but for you, it will say install. Just select install and then confirm where you want the game installed. The download will begin. You may need to wait a bit. Alternatively, you can download Minecraft Bedrock and Java Edition directly through the Microsoft Store. Open the store, search for Minecraft, and select it from the results. If you already own the game, you'll see a play button. Otherwise, you can purchase it there. Once installed, open the Minecraft launcher, sign in with your Microsoft account. You can also download the Minecraft launcher from the Microsoft Store if you prefer. Then open the launcher, and if you want to install the Bedrock Edition, just select it from the left sidebar. Click Install, and the game will start downloading. Once it's finished installing, click Play, and you'll be able to start playing on your PC. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Minecraft Bedrock on PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.